In this video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden gold mines on Twitter that will make you money. So this is our real Stripe account. This is actually just one of the Stripe accounts. We have 3 in total right now. As you can see, just by using softwares like this, you can get their email, their website, and all the information that is relevant to be able to contact them. When it comes to getting clients, you don't need 99% of the things that the fucking people online are telling you to need. All you need is we're going to locate the 1% of your target audience that is ready to buy right now. And then I'm going to show you guys how to actually contact them so they convert into your products or services that you sell. Fellas, if you don't know already, my name is Dylan Wilson. I've been in the online space for about 6 years. My current agency does about $200,000 a month. And a good portion of the new customers that we get comes from the exact methods and techniques that I'm going to share with you guys in this video. So what that means, if you're an agency owner like me, or you're a coach, consultant, or you sell any sort of high ticket product online and you want an untapped way that people aren't using in today's world to pack your sales calendars, this video is for you. Alrighty, let's get into this. So how do we find Twitter's hidden gold mines that can make us rich? So quick overview of the video. First, I'm going to share with you guys proof that we're actually doing what we're doing, following this exact same method. And then I'm going to go over the prerequisite, the one thing that we are doing that 95% of gurus online are not telling you about that makes all the difference when it comes to being able to get clients. Then I'm going to go through the research and discovery phase, how we scrape data and segregate our lists, how we're repositioning our offers, and last is how we're actually contacting these people. I'm going to do so in depth so you can walk away from this video with actionable steps that you can implement tomorrow so you can start getting your first client from this method in the next 3 to 4 days. So first thing right here, just real quick, I won't spend too much time on this. This is our real Stripe account. This is actually just one of the Stripe accounts. We have 3 in total right now with a bunch of different automations and stuff like that, in addition to PayPal and bank transfers. And this was literally, I just screenshotted this while I was working on this video right here. You can see the dates right here. It's April 28th right now, just so you can see, kind of see some of the numbers that we're doing from this. But the first thing that you guys got to understand, right? When it comes to getting clients, you don't need 99% of the things that the fucking people online are telling you to need. All you need is a high quality list, which what that means is people with a specific pain, and then a highly relevant offer, which is an offer that solves that specific pain that people are facing as of right now. And if you have those two, you will get money. And if this doesn't really make sense, well, let me ask you a scenario. Imagine you just got dumped. You had a girlfriend, you thought you were going to marry her, you thought that she was going to be the one, and then one day she dumped you. Well, if 6 hours after you got dumped, I hit you with a cold email offering to get you back in that relationship, you'd fucking respond to the cold email, because you would be a high quality person. You'd be somebody with a specific pain, and I would have come at you with a specific offer that solves the specific pain that you're in right now. And this is the foundation. This is why we're able to get 5% meeting book rates, which means for every 100 people that we contact, 5 of them actually jump and show up to a sales call to speak with our team in order to learn more about our offers and services. Okay, so that is the first prerequisite that you have to understand, and that is why that right here is why this works so well. Because in the methods that I'm going to share with you, we're able to build super high quality lists at scale and automated, and we're also able to hit them with highly relevant offers at scale and automated as well. So let's get into this. All right, so step 1 is the research and discovery phase. Now, the overview process of this is, first of all, we're going to head to X, which is obviously formerly known as Twitter, and then we're going to search for lead magnets that are solving people's specific pains. So if you're into the money Twitter space, if you're on Twitter, you know that it's a very common practice for people to go out there and say, hey, I just did XYZ. I can help you with XYZ, ABC, whatever the case may be is. Comment Loom, comment Grow, comment DM, comment Offer, comment Leads, comment Cash, and I'll send that to you, right? And so these are the things that we're going to look for. So we're going to spend a little bit of time digging on Twitter to find a bunch of these lead magnets that are either our competitors or other people, maybe people in the industry are putting out there on YouTube. Right? This is an example of one I just found simply by commenting send. All right, so let me actually go on to X right now and show you guys what this looks like in practice. So if I come over to X and then I type in any one of those keywords that I gave you guys, let's say comment send. And as soon as I pull this up, I see a bunch of different lead magnets that have come up of people offering to solve specific problems that people are struggling with. So let's look at this one right here. I paid 10,000 USD for a single coaching call to understand Facebook ads better. It made me realize it only takes 5 minutes to manage them. I made a video where I show you this strategy, right? So right here, you can see that this is a lead magnet helping people run better Facebook ads, helping people that are struggling with Facebook ads to run better them. Here's another one. Ugly YouTube videos are making $100,000 a month. Yesterday, I got 120,000 views. The tools I use only cost $10 a month. No team, super quick, easy, and cheap. right? So this one is helping people who are trying to build a personal brand, but maybe don't have a lot of money, right? And so what we do is we come back here and we simply just click on this, and then we save this. We save this, and you can add it to a Word document because we're going to use this to build our high quality list. Okay, so once you've found lead magnets that are helping people solve the same types of problems that your service or offer solves, we want to use software such as TweetScrape, or we use tweetscraper.io. And what you do is you take that link. So let's say it's this link, for example. You bring it into TweetScraper, and what you can do is you can scrape all the likes, scrape all the data, scrape all the email addresses from the people that have opted in to get help with solving that specific problem that they have. All right, so here's an example of one of the lists that we are able to scrape, which is helping people solve a specific problem that our agency is able to solve for people. So as you can see, just by using softwares like this, you can get their email, their website, and all the information that is relevant to be able to contact them. All right, so now once you've scraped the data, and once you've found a bunch of these and you've scraped the data, you want to segregate the list, right? You want to segregate the list into the individual problems that these people are having. You want to think about, why did they opt into this? What is the intent behind why they opted in to get that free lead magnet? And you want to create separate lists around people that are struggling with specific problems. So let's say, for example, one of the problems that you found was people that can't get leads and they're struggling to get leads. Another one is maybe people are struggling with show-up rates. Another one here is maybe people can't close deals. So you want to create 3 to 10 different lists that are segregated into people that are struggling with specific problems. And then from there, the third thing you want to do is you want to reposition your offer in order to solve their specific pain that they're in. Because remember when I came back to the beginning and I said they only need 2 things in order to make this work, which is a high quality list and highly relevant people. People that are dealing with a specific pain and an offer that solves a specific problem. And so what we want to do is we want to morph whatever our core services is into repositioning it in a manner that solves the specific pain that is at the forefront of these people that we're reaching out to. So let's say our core service is, maybe we do done for you cold email. We get leads for people, we send them, and then we do a little bit of pre-call indoctrination sequences for them, a very standard service in the agency space today. Well, for all the people that are saying that they can't get leads and have opted into lead magnets for helping them to get more leads, we can hit them up and say, listen, I will deploy a team to go out and get leads for you. For all the people that are maybe struggling with the fact that leads don't show up and have opted into lead magnets on how to increase their show-up rates, we can say, hey, I will install a pre-call sequence that practically forces leads to show up for you. And for the third one here, let's say they're struggling with closing deals, right? They're opted into, hey, I got leads, I got sales calls, but the deals aren't closing. Well, we can hit them up offering our same done for you cold email and saying, hey, I will do 80% of the selling for you through a dynamic pre-call sequence, right? So this is 3 ways that I've been able to reposition a core service of done for you cold email to solve the specific problems of the people that I'm reaching out to, right? And then the fourth thing and the final step here is to actually go and send the emails. Now I actually have a really in-depth video to how we set up our own cold email campaigns to book 5 to 10 appointments a day. You can click the link on this screen to go watch that video. Now, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got 10x the value in comparison to the time that you invested into watching it. I appreciate you. If you want free help to scaling to your first $1 million, you can apply to join our $0 to $1 million agency brotherhood. It's 100% free to join, but we only accept high quality, value-driven entrepreneurs. Other than that, leave a comment below if you have any more questions about this strategy, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.